Are you feeling nervous about your upcoming job interview? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video series, we will give you tips and tricks to help you feel confident and prepared.
Hello and welcome. Could you please introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your experience in robotics engineering?
Hello and thank you for having me. My name is John and I have been working in robotics engineering for over 10 years now. I graduated with a degree in electrical engineering with a focus on robotics, and I have worked on various projects ranging from industrial robots to autonomous vehicles.
That's great, John. What motivated you to pursue a career in robotics engineering, and what do you find most exciting about this field?
I was always fascinated by the intersection of engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence. And I saw robotics as the perfect opportunity to explore these interests. What I find most exciting about this field is the potential to develop technologies that can solve real-world problems and make people's lives easier.
That's an excellent motivation, John. Can you give us an example of a robotics project you have worked on and what your role was in that project?
One of the most exciting projects I worked on was developing a robotic exoskeleton for people with spinal cord injuries. I was part of the team responsible for designing the control system for the exoskeleton. We had to create a system that could read the user's intentions and movements and translate those into corresponding movements in the exoskeleton. It was a challenging project, but also incredibly rewarding to see the impact it had on people's lives.
That sounds like a really interesting project, John. Can you tell us about a particular challenge you faced while working on that project and how you overcame it?
One of the biggest challenges we faced was making the control system as initiative and responsive as possible. We had to find a way to capture the user's movements accurately and translate those into the exoskeleton's movements in real time. We worked with various sensors and algorithms to develop a system that could learn from the user's movements and adapt to their unique needs. We also conducted extensive user testing and received feedback from users and medical professionals to refine the system further.
That sounds like a lot of hard work, but the results were worth it. How do you stay up to date with the latest developments and technologies in the field of robotics engineering?
I am a member of several robotics and engineering associations, and I make it a priority to attend industry events and conferences. I also read various technical publications and research papers to keep up to date with the latest developments in the field. Additionally, I collaborate with other engineers and researchers to share knowledge and learn from their experiences.
That's great, John. Finally, could you tell us about a specific skill or quality that you possess that you believe would make you an asset to our team as a robotics engineer?
I believe my ability to think creatively and outside the box is one of my greatest strengths. In robotics engineering, there are often no set solutions or guidelines, and the ability to approach problems from a fresh perspective is crucial. I also enjoy collaborating with other engineers and stakeholders to find solutions that work for everyone. I believe these qualities would make me a valuable addition to your team.
Thank you, John. It was great talking to you, and we appreciate you taking the time to speak with us today.
Thank you for having me. It was a pleasure speaking with you as well. We hope you found our video series and common job interview questions helpful. Remember to dress professionally and arrive on time, and to research the company and position before the interview.